Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a classic Japanese dish called Inarizushi. Inarizushi is a type of sushi made by stuffing seasoned deep-fried tofu pockets, known as aburaage, with sushi rice. It's a delicious and easy-to-make dish that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started! Roll the aburaage around a pair of cooking chopsticks. This will make it easier to open the tofu pockets. Cut the aburaage in half lengthwise. The Kanto style is cut vertically, while the Kansai style is cut diagonally. We'll make both styles today. Open the aburaage pockets. If they're difficult to open, gently tear them with your fingers or roll them around the chopsticks again. Some aburaage may not open easily, so if that's the case, use them for miso soup or other dishes instead. Boil water in a pot and simmer the aburaage for 5 minutes to remove excess oil. This will also help the flavor absorb better. After 5 minutes, transfer the aburaage to a colander and press down with a ladle to remove excess water. Make an otoshibuta, drop lid by holding a piece of parchment paper cut to the size of the pot into a triangle. Cut the otoshibuta to fit the pot's radius and trim the pointed end. Make 3 random cuts in the otoshibuta and it's ready to use. Add the seasonings to the pot. Turn on the heat and dissolve the seasonings. Add the drained aburaage to the pot, place the otoshibuta on top, and heat over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Cover the pot and let the aburaage sit for a while to absorb the flavors. Mix the seasonings for the rice. Ideally, you'd add rice vinegar and sugar, but since my vinegar already contains sugar, I'll only add salt. Put the rice in a bowl and pour the mixed seasonings over the rice using a rice paddle, mixing well. Once the rice is evenly seasoned, use a fan to cool the rice while mixing it further. Fan the rice with a hand fan to evaporate the vinegar and quickly cool the sushi rice while giving it a glossy appearance. The ideal temperature is when you can feel a slight warmth when hovering your hand over the rice. You don't need to spend too much time fanning the rice. Fanning the rice helps to seal the vinegar absorbed by the rice grains inside. Cover the rice with damp, tightly round cloth to let it steam. I'm using paper towels since I don't have a cloth. After steaming for 5 minutes, add roasted sesame seed and mix. Divide the rice into 10 equal portions and prepare to stuff the aburaage. Drain the aburaage and stuff them with the rice. It's easier to stuff if you gently squeeze the rice before putting it in the aburaage. Be careful when draining the aburaage, as the liquid can splatter from various spots. Once you've arranged the inarizushi on a plate, you are done. Enjoy them with soy sauce if desired. The well-seasoned and fluffy inarizushi are absolutely delicious. And there you have it, a simple and tasty recipe for inarizushi that you can easily make at home. These little pockets of joy are perfect for bento boxes, parties, or just as a snack. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to follow Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!